It's up to me and you to show them what we can do. You gotta hold your head up high. We can't give up before we try. And now the game begins.
So always tell yourself, never say never.
Like to pause.
Best to make it. Superpower. You gotta reach up high and take it. We never give in.
It's time to make a move. Ready to get into the groove. And everything is up to you. You have to show what you can do. And now the game begins.
So always tell yourself, never say never. We gotta give our best to make it. Yeah. Superpower. You gotta reach up high and take it. We never give in.
Let's break it down. Jump to the side. Jump to the side. Muscle and down. Jump and punch. Jump and punch. Up with your arms and clap. Faster. Jump. Jump. Muscle. Down. Punch. Punch. Up and clap.
So always tell yourself, never say never. We gotta give our best to make it. Superpower. You gotta reach up high and take it.
We never give in. It's up to me and you to show them what we can do. You gotta hold your head up high. We can't give up before we try. And now the game begins.
So always tell yourself, never say never. We gotta give our best to make it. Superpower. You gotta reach up high and take it. We never give in.
It's time to make a move. Ready to get into the groove. And everything is up to you. You have to show what you can do. And now the game begins.
So always tell yourself, never say never. We gotta give our best to make it. Yeah. Superpower. You gotta reach up high and take it. We never give in.
Let's break it down. Jump to the side. Jump to the side. Muscle and down. Jump and punch. Jump and punch. Up with your arms and clap. Faster. Jump. Jump. Muscle. Down. Punch. Punch. Up and clap.
So always tell yourself, never say never. We gotta give our best to make it.
You're doing great, Master Designers.
You gotta reach up high and take it.
We never give in.
You're doing great.
It's up to me and you.
We're almost complete on drawing the Yokai Dislike King. He's a good king. I like him.
We can't give up before we try.
I love him.
And now the game
And now it's complete. That's how you draw Dislike King. Stegosaurus, see you
So
later.
always tell yourself,
Alexa, what is a king?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, a king is the male ruler of an independent state, especially one who inherits the position by right of birth. Unless we are talking chess, then the king is most important chess piece, of which each player has one and each player has to try to checkmate in order to win.